Hi y'all, today I'll be playing this weird game. I heard every people played it, but it's like Roblox version, but I really want to try it. I can't download it in the real app, but I'm just gonna play it in Roblox. Oh my god, my brother is literally in front of me and he's playing like Hold Smash or something. And he kept screaming. I hate it. Let's go start. Okay, wait a minute. Single player. I don't want multiplayer. I want to be single. What did that sounded so weird? Okay, start game. You look so weird. Okay, so game what? Okay, oh my gosh. Why does she look so ugly? I don't know what to say. I'm just gonna say hi. And why? Oh my god, I spelled it wrong. I'm too screaming too much. My brother's. Ew, no, you're like. Sorry, I'm like, what? Ew, no. Stop following me. Wait a minute. Is that a computer? Why am I so short? Okay, can you stop following me? It's weird. Can you get me some food, I guess? Can you stop following me? What the fuck? Can I leave? Can I leave? Pursue aiko. No, you can't leave me. We're supposed to be together all the time. Why? I want to see what happens. Oh my god, you look so scary. Let me go. I never told I want to be. Dude, oh my god, she's so annoying. It's like a yandere. Why you keep creeping on me? How do I even open this? How escape? Oh, I have to make her open. Can you go? Wait, what am I trying to say? I'm gonna say we should go. Oh my god, what the hell? Outside. We should go outside. What's wrong? Sorry. Okay, shut up. Let's go have some fun outside. Can you open the door? It's like, guys, look, I'm playing right now at 11:40 a.m. Can you stop yapping? Girl! What is this? I'm just gonna... Key! What? I'm being here. It's my room. You can't come. Okay, what's wrong with my body? Where is she? Aiko. like right now. Wait. Can you come over to the room? Come over to the room. Okay, what room is this? Almost there. Imagine. Why is this like real AI? Oh wait, what is this? I'm going to the gas bedroom right now. Not the gas bedroom, dude. Hi, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Let's go hang out. Stop saying that. Is this real AI or something? The door is locked. It's better if we stay together. Go outside. Wait, I'm gonna wait. Let me get up. What's wrong with this building? Is that even a Okay, can you just stop yapping? She keeps, what's wrong with her face? That looks so bluish. Then let's go outside. Oh my god! I'm gonna do a sad emoji for some reason. Sad what? Spider-Man proof. I'm just gonna say wow. Aiko. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Aiko. Aiko. Stop looking at Okay, stop. Are you kidding me? What's wrong with stupid AI? Hello? I'm gonna say this for some reason. What time is it? 11. Okay, Ivan texted me. Oh my god. Okay, sorry about that. He was texting me all the time. Cause I don't know what he wants to. You can upload to notification will, I'll stop talking. I'm gonna go try to open the door. Again. Wait, is there any keys I can find? Wait, is there a bathroom? Where did you go? Is that chess? Okay, so oh my god, why is it tilting? So what? So are you kidding me? I think I'm gonna crash out right now. Who is knocking on the door? Wait, in my real life, wait, let me look at the door. Okay? কেউ তো না যাওয়ার কে দরজা কইছে কে দরজা লক দিছে আবার করতেছে তো